Hi everyone, today I am going to present my work on an AI-driven cybersecurity solution for the telecommunication sector. This presentation is based on my assignment and focus on real and growing problem, which is the rise of AI-powered cyber attack in telecom network. I will start by explaining the industry context and the problem, then I will introduce the solution I am proposing, walk you through the high-level project plan, and finally discuss the key success factor and challenges involved in implementing this solution. Cybersecurity is important for telecom companies because they run critical service and handle a lot of sensitive data every day. This includes things like billing detail and location data. At the same time, telecom networks are changing fast. Technology like 5G, cloud, and IoT are being used more and more. These technologies are useful, but they also make systems more complex and harder to protect. The goal of this presentation is to show a simple and practical way to improve security in telecom environment. Telecom networks are large, complex, and always running. They support voice, data, and internet service for millions of customers, including business and government organizations. Any serious problem can affect many customers at once, therefore have a very wide impact on society and the economy. Most telecom operators today use a mix of older legacy system and newer cloud-based platform. This hybrid environment is difficult to manage and even harder to secure consistency. In addition, telecom companies must follow strict regulation related to data protection and service availability. Because of their scale importance and data holding, telecom providers are attractive target for cyber criminal and even state-sponsored attacker. If you look more closely at a typical telecom environment, there are many critical assets that need to be protected. These include core network, the access network, signal system, and customer systems such as billing and customer management platform. There is also growing reliance on cloud infrastructure and third-party supplier. Each new system interface or partner connection increase the overall attack surface. This means there are more potential weaknesses that attacker can try to exploit if security is not well designed and continuously monitored. The main problem is that attackers are now using AI to make their attack smarter and more convincing. A simple example is an OTP scam. A customer might receive a phone call or message that look like sound real, sometimes even using a deep fake voice that sound like bank or telecom support agent. The attacker creates a sense of urgency. For example, by saying there is a problem with the account, the victim is then tricked into sharing their one-time password OTP, and the attacker uses it to take over the account or make fraudulent changes. AI helps attackers send this message to thousands of people at once and make them sound more realistic. Because of this, traditional security tools and simple warning messages are often not enough to stop this attack. This is not just a technical issue for IT or security team. This kind of attack can directly affect customer trust, disrupt critical service, and lead to regulatory penalties and financial loss. Because telecom networks are so large and complex, it is difficult to maintain full visibility and control using traditional approach. Solving this problem requires strong leadership, long-term investment, and changes in how the organization manage security and risk. That is why this should be treated as a strategic management issue rather than just a technical one. The solution I am proposing is an AI-driven security operation platform made for telecom companies. This platform uses machine learning to help detect suspicious activity and potential attack. It integrates with network monitoring tools, cloud security system, and identity platform. This platform uses AI to learn what normal network and user behavior look like. When something unusual happens, like a sudden spiking login attempt or a strange change to a customer account, the system can spot it very quickly. For example, if an account suddenly tries to change setting from a new location and requests multiple OTP in a short time, the system can treat this as a suspicious. It can then block the action or ask for extra check before allowing it. In this way, AI helps telecom operators stop attack earlier before real damage is done. This solution fit well into a telecom environment because it works with the system that already exists. It connects to a network monitoring tool, billing system, customer management system, and cloud platform. Instead of replacing everything, it brings data from all these players into one view. For example, it can link network activity with customer account activity. If it sees unusual network traffic and unusual account change at the same time, it can treat this as a higher risk. This helps security team understand what is really happening and respond in a more accurate and coordinated way. For telecom operator, this approach brings several important benefits. First, it improves visibility across the whole network and all major systems, which means security teams are not working with incomplete information anymore. They can see what is happening in one place instead of checking many different tools. Second, it makes response faster. Instead of waiting for someone to notice a problem and take action manually, the system can repeat in a second. This reduces the impact of attack and helps protect customer over time. This also reduces operational cost, improves service reliability, and helps the organization meet security and data protection requirements for confidentially. The project would be delivered around 12 months using phase approach. First, there would be an initiation and planning phase to define the scope and secure leadership support. Then the organization would design the architecture and select suitable vendor. After this, system would integrated and prepared, followed by a pilot phase to test the solution in a controlled environment. Finally, the platform would be rolled out across the organization and optimized. This step-by-step approach helps reduce risk and manage change more effectively. Several factors are critical for success. Strong support from senior management is essential because this is a strategic change, not just a small technical upgrade. The organization also need to invest in right tool, platform, and integration work. In addition, staff must be trained so they can use the AI-based system effectively. Finally, the program must be aligned with business goal and regulatory requirement to ensure it delivers real value. There are also some challenges. Some people may not like changing the way they work. Some systems may not work well together at first. The cost can be high and benefit may not appear straight away. There are also privacy and ethical issues when using AI, and this must be handled carefully. Strong governance and risk management are very important, especially in the telecom sector. For example, under GDPR, telecom companies must protect personal data and report serious data breach. This solution supports that by improving monitoring, logging, and incident response, so problem can be found and handled more quickly. The system should be rolled out in the step to avoid risks to live services. There should be also a clear rule about how data is used and how AI make decisions, so privacy and fairness are respected. By using clear performance measure and regular review, the organization can keep improving its security as a threat and technology continue to change. To conclude, telecom companies are facing increasingly an advanced cyber threat, specifically those powered by AI. An AI-driven security operation platform provides a strong and practical way to respond to these challenges. With the right leadership, investment, and skill, this approach can significantly improve security, protect customer, and ensure that critical telecom service remain reliable and trustworthy. Thank you.